channel. My name is Mercy, and on today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to take accurate body measurements needed to draft a blouse. Okay, so please, I want you to watch this video to the end because it is well detailed, it is accurate and beginner friendly. So to start, we'll be taking our shoulder to shoulder measurements. Okay, shoulder to shoulder measurement, and this measurement is taken at the back. Okay, so watch as I'm going to demonstrate it. Now you place your tape on one side of your shoulder like so. Okay, like you see me do. Place your tape on this particular bone here, this particular bone on your shoulder, back shoulder. Then you place the next one on the other side of the bone. Okay, can you see where my two fingers are pinned down? Yes, so this is how you take your shoulder to shoulder measurement. Okay, now the next measurement you'll be taking is your sleeve measurement. Okay, from this same point where you place your shoulder measurement, measure all the way down to how long you want the sleeve to be. Okay, now watch how I'm going to do it. This is the point where we'll have that shoulder bone. Okay, now you measure all the way down to where you want your sleeve to end. Okay, all right, can you see? Okay, this is it. So wherever you want your sleeve to stop, that is your choice. All right, now the next measurement we're going to take is our bicep. This is also called the round sleeve measurement. Okay, you measure the round arm. All right, your round arm. Okay, now you start from this biggest part of your arm. Okay, start from the biggest part of your arm. You measure. Now while measuring this thing, you want to put your finger in between the tape and the part you're measuring. Okay, this will enable the measurement not to be too tight. Okay, so it will not be too tight, and the tape should be able to move flexibly. This means that the tape is not going to be too tight on the individual or too loose. Okay, the measurement should not be too tight or too loose. Okay, you measure down. When you're making a round a long sleeve, okay, long sleeve, you need to measure round down, because you see that our hands, they are not the same size from beginning to the end. As you come down, as you descend, you find out that the measurement, the hand becomes smaller in size. Okay, so when you're making a round sleeve a long sleeve, you need to take the measurement from beginning down. All right, now the measurements we are going to take is our round bust measurement. Round bust measurement. Okay, now this is how we're going to take our round bust measurement. Place your tape at the upper part, okay, around your armhole side, back armhole side, round. Okay, you see what I'm doing? Round to your bust. Okay, round to your bust. And you want to also place your finger in between your cloth and the tape, so that the thing doesn't get too tight. Okay, it doesn't get too tight. Now if you measure it this way, you are going to get a wrong result. Okay, probably the cloth is going to be tight. All right, you don't measure this way. Make sure your tape is at the same bust line at the back. Okay, the same line where your bust is at the front. Make sure the tape is on that same line at the back also, and you make sure that your tape is firmly placed on top of your nipple point, on top of your breast. Okay, all right, Now the next measurement we are going to take is our chest measurement. Of course, you know our breast is fuller here, and here is a bit smaller. There's no much breast here, all right? So that is why we need to take these measurements. Okay, so this is how we take our chest measurements. So this is our chest measurement, all right? This is our chest measurement. Now the next measurement we are going to take is our round under bust measurement, just as the name implies, under bust. That's the next measurement we are going to take. Make sure you put your tape around that under bust measurement all the way from the back to the front, okay? All the way from the back to the front, okay? Hope you can see what I'm doing, right? You see what I'm doing, okay? Right? It should not be too tight. The tape should be able to move at least a little down. It should not be too tight around there, but it should be fitted, okay? And the next measurement is our waist measurement, alright? You place your tape also on your waist and take it round, okay? So these are our waist measurements, okay? These are our waist measurements. Now the next measurement we'll be taking is our hip measurement. Our hip measurement. Now you take your hip measurement from the waist, from the side of your hip. Okay, let me from the side. Okay. Okay. Now the tape should be on top of the hip. Okay, on top of the hip. Alright, and you should be able to move at least a little up and down. Alright, okay, you see, be able to move up and down. Alright, okay, so our next measurement will be our shoulder to nipple measurement. Our shoulder to nipple measurement. And you place your tape on this particular shoulder point. You see where my tape is? You don't bring it down here, alright? And you don't take it so up that it's close or even touching your neck. No, bring it here, just a little away from your neck. Alright, you place the beginning of your tape there while you pin with the other hand, then drag all the way to your nipple point. Okay, so that is how to take your shoulder to nipple measurement. Alright, now while it's there, then you take your under bust measurement, which is shoulder to under bust measurement. Okay, hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Shoulder to under bust measurement. Alright, shoulder to under bust measurement. Now the next one is your bust span, that is nipple to nipple measurement. The nipple to nipple measurement. Now you place the beginning of one side of your tape to the other side, as you see me do. So this is your bust span measurement. Now the next one will be our half length. Our half length covers from the shoulder to the half of the length of our blouse. Now to get this accurately, you get a rope or tape, as I'm doing, tie it on your waist. Tie it on your waist. You see this particular side that go in. You see this, you see where mine is? See? That is your half length or half cut, okay? So you place your tape exactly just the same place you placed when you were measuring your shoulder to nipple measurement. You place your tape there and measure all the way to your half length, okay? Now this is my half length, all right? This is half length. Remember, you don't take the measurement this way. No, you take it this way. Okay? While you pin the tape here, you drag it down to your half length. Now you also want to take back on because the front length and the back length are not the same. Some people's front length is 1 inch longer than the back length, while others are 1.5. Okay, that is 1.5 inch longer than the back length. Okay, so that is why it's important you take your back length measurement as well, half length measurement as well. Let me, if you see what I'm doing. Okay, all right, take your half length measurement also at the back. Okay, so as you can see, mine is 1 inch different. So it is very vital that you measure it because it differs with each individual. Some is 1.5. Okay, especially if the back of that individual went in. Okay, so it is important you take it. All right, now the next one is your blouse length. You place your tape that same place at the shoulder, place it so. You may want to pin it here at your half length. All right, then while you get the remaining length of your blouse, this is so that the blouse can balance well on your body and not drag up after sewing it. After sewing it, may become shorter than the length you measured. All right, so you may want to pin here while you continue with this other hand to get your blouse length, depending on how long you want your blouse to be. All right, so this is all about measurement for our blouse. Okay, so thank you very much for this tutorial. Please stay tuned to this channel and like and share and subscribe, please, so that whenever I drop tutorial like this, you will quickly get notified. Thank you so much for watching. Now in my next tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to take measurements for your pants trouser. Okay, I'm going to be teaching you how to take measurement for your pants trouser. Thank you.